Welcome to the $25 Investor, the channel where we break down how small, consistent investments can grow into life-changing wealth over time. Let me ask you something. What if I told you that just $25 a week, yes, the cost of a few coffees or one fast food meal, could potentially turn into hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars over time? Most people believe you need a lot of money to start investing, but that belief is exactly what keeps people from ever starting. The truth is, wealth is not built overnight. It is built through consistency, discipline, and time in the market. And today, we are focusing on one of the most powerful opportunities in the artificial intelligence revolution, Micron Technology. This company is not just another stock, it sits at the core of AI infrastructure. Every time artificial intelligence processes data, trains models, or powers applications, it relies on memory. And Micron is one of the key players providing that memory. So today we are going to break down exactly why Micron Technology could be one of the top AI stocks to buy, and more importantly, how investing just $25 a week can potentially transform your financial future. Let's start simple. Investing $25 a week may not sound impressive, but over time this strategy becomes incredibly powerful. This approach is known as dollar cost averaging. Instead of trying to predict the perfect time to buy a stock, you invest consistently regardless of market conditions. When the price goes down, your $25 buys more shares. When the price goes up, it buys fewer shares. Over time, this balances out your average cost and reduces risk. Now imagine applying this strategy to a company that is deeply connected to one of the fastest growing industries in the world, artificial intelligence. AI is not a short-term trend. It is a long-term transformation similar to the internet revolution or the smartphone boom. And companies that provide the essential infrastructure for AI are positioned to benefit the most. That is exactly where Micron Technology comes in. Micron Technology is a global leader in semiconductor memory and storage solutions. The company produces DRAM and NAND memory, which are critical components in modern computing systems. Let's simplify that. Every device that processes data, whether it is a smartphone, a laptop, a data center, or an AI system, needs memory to function. Memory is what allows systems to store, access, and process information quickly. Now think about artificial intelligence. AI requires massive amounts of data. Training AI models involves processing enormous data sets at extremely high speeds. That requires high-performance memory. Companies like NVIDIA build powerful GPUs for AI, but those GPUs rely heavily on advanced memory solutions. Without companies like Micron, AI performance would be limited. This creates a powerful dynamic. As AI demand increases, memory demand increases. And as memory demand increases, companies like Micron benefit directly. That is why Micron Technology is often considered a picks and shovels play in the AI gold rush. Instead of betting on one AI application, you are investing in the infrastructure that powers all of them. Now let's compare Micron Technology to the broader market represented by the S&P 500. Over the past 3 years, the S&P 500 has delivered approximately 20% growth. Over 5 years, around 13.65%. Over 10 years, about 15.72%. These are solid returns and represent the overall performance of the U.S. stock market. Now compare that to Micron Technology. Over 3 years, Micron Technology has grown approximately 98.49%. Over 5 years, about 38.14%. Over 10 years, around 44.43%. This shows that Micron Technology has significantly outperformed the broader market over multiple timeframes. However, it is important to understand that semiconductor stocks can be cyclical. There are periods of strong growth and periods of slowdown, but over the long term, the trend is driven by increasing demand for data and computing power. This video is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. The examples and opinions shared in this video are based on personal research and experience. Investing involves risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results. Always do your own research or consult with a licensed financial professional before making any investment decisions. Let's take a closer look at Micron Technology's growth performance. Over the past 3 years, Micron Technology has delivered approximately 98.49% growth. This reflects strong recovery and demand driven by data centers and AI. Over 5 years, the growth rate is about 38.14%, showing sustained expansion despite industry cycles. Over 10 years, Micron Technology has achieved around 44.43% growth, demonstrating its long-term potential. These numbers highlight a key point. While the semiconductor industry experiences ups and downs, the long-term demand trend continues to rise. Now let's break down your actual investment contributions. If you invest $25 every week, after 1 year you have invested $1,300. After 5 years, you have invested $6,500. After 10 years, you have invested $13,000. After 15 years, you have invested $19,500. After 20 years, you have invested $26,000. After 25 years, you have invested $32,500. After 30 years, you have invested $39,000. This is your total input. This is the amount you personally contribute. Now here is where things get exciting. After 5 years, your $6,500 grows to approximately $34,440. After 10 years, $13,000 grows to about $123,828. After 15 years, $19,500 grows to about $384,146. After 20 years, $26,000 grows to about $776,033. After 25 years, $32,500 grows to about $974,507. After 30 years, $39,000 grows to approximately $1,110,151. This is the power of compounding. Your money starts generating returns, and those returns generate even more returns. Now, let's take it one step further. What happens if you double your weekly investment from $25 to $50? At $50 per week, your yearly contribution becomes $2,600. Over time, this consistent increase starts to make a massive difference. After 5 years, you have invested $13,000, but your total portfolio value grows to approximately $68,880. That means your money has grown more than 5 times your original investment. After 10 years, you have invested $26,000. Your portfolio grows to about $247,656. This is where compounding starts to accelerate. After 15 years, your total contribution is $39,000. Your investment grows to around $768,292. At this stage, your money is working harder than your contributions. After 20 years, you have invested $52,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $1,552,067. After 25 years, you have invested $65,000. Your portfolio grows to about $1,949,014. After 30 years, your total contribution is $78,000, but your portfolio value reaches approximately $2,220,303. This clearly shows that doubling your weekly investment does not just double your outcome, it multiplies it significantly over time. Now let's double it again. What if you invest $100 per week? At $100 weekly, your yearly contribution becomes $5,200. After 5 years, you have invested $26,000. Your portfolio grows to approximately $137,761. After 10 years, you have invested $52,000. Your portfolio value increases to around $495,313. You are approaching $500,000 with consistent investing. After 15 years, your total contribution is $78,000. Your portfolio grows to about $1,536,584. You have officially crossed the $1 million mark. After 20 years, you have invested $104,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $3,104,135. After 25 years, your contribution is $130,000. Your portfolio grows to around $3,898,029. After 30 years, your total investment is $156,000. Your portfolio value reaches approximately $4,440,607. At this level, you can clearly see how consistency combined with a higher contribution creates life-changing wealth. Now let's move to $150 per week. At this level, your yearly contribution becomes $7,800. After 5 years, you have invested $39,000. Your portfolio grows to approximately $206,642. After 10 years, your total investment is $78,000. Your portfolio increases to around $742,970. After 15 years, you have invested $117,000. Your portfolio grows to about $2,304,876. After 20 years, your total contribution is $156,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $4,656,202. After 25 years, you have invested $195,000. Your portfolio grows to about $5,847,043. After 30 years, your total contribution is $234,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $6,660,910. At this stage, you are building serious wealth, driven mainly by compounding rather than your contributions. Now let's increase to $200 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $10,400. After 5 years, you have invested $52,000. Your portfolio grows to approximately $275,523. After 10 years, your contribution is $104,000. Your portfolio reaches around $990,627, just under $1 million. After 15 years, you have invested $156,000. Your portfolio grows to about $3,073,168. After 20 years, your total contribution is $208,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $6,208,270. After 25 years, you have invested $260,000. Your portfolio grows to about $7,796,058. After 30 years, your total investment is $312,000. Your portfolio value reaches approximately $8,881,214. This level shows how powerful long-term investing becomes when both time and contribution increase. Now let's move to $250 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $13,000. After 5 years, you have invested $65,000. Your portfolio grows to approximately $344,404. After 10 years, your total contribution is $130,000. Your portfolio increases to around $1,238,283. After 15 years, you have invested $195,000. Your portfolio grows to about $3,841,460. After 20 years, your contribution is $260,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $7,760,337. After 25 years, you have invested $325,000. Your portfolio grows to about $9,745,072. After 30 years, your total contribution is $390,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $11,101,517. At this level, you are clearly in multi-million-dollar territory driven by discipline and consistency. Finally, let's look at $300 per week. Your yearly contribution becomes $15,600. After 5 years, you have invested $78,000. Your portfolio grows to approximately $413,284. After 10 years, your total investment is $156,000. Your portfolio increases to around $1,485,940. After 15 years, you have invested $234,000. Your portfolio grows to about $4,609,752. After 20 years, your total contribution is $312,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $9,312,405. After 25 years, you have invested $390,000. Your portfolio grows to about $11,694,087. After 30 years, your total contribution is $468,000. Your portfolio reaches approximately $13,321,821. This clearly demonstrates one powerful truth. The more you invest consistently, the faster compounding works, and the bigger your financial future becomes. So what is the takeaway? You do not need a large amount of money to start investing. You need consistency, patience, and the right assets. By investing just $25 a week into Micron Technology, you are positioning yourself in one of the most important sectors of the future, artificial intelligence. And if you increase your investment over time, your potential returns grow dramatically. In the next video, we will explore other major companies like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, Meta Platforms, Tesla, Amazon, and Alphabet. We will compare them and find out which one could help you build the most wealth, starting with just $25 a week. If you found value in this video, make sure to like and subscribe so you do not miss future content. Thank you for watching.